Hello and welcome to our Friday edition of CMS Forex News. I'm your market analyst, Nick Nassad. Today is June 19, 2009. Higher stocks in Asia and in Europe increased risk appetite in today's session, weakening the greenback and the yen overnight. In this look at the Aussie-yen pair, you can see the extension of the Aussie's rally from yesterday. However, the recent up move seen the past two sessions comes after a bigger slide in the pair the first half of the week that reached a new low for this month at 75.20. The greenback, which had been gaining on the yen in overnight trading, saw a big slide downward as European traders closed up shop for the weekend around 12 noon Eastern Time. From its high near 97.20, the pair was down about 100 pips and seemed ready to close for the week around the 96 level. That puts the greenback about 230 pips lower against the yen than where it started the week. The greenback felt pressured against other currencies as well around noon New York time. The euro-dollar pair, which had been trading in a tight range most of the session, broke above a downward sloping line of resistance we had mentioned yesterday. The euro retested the 1.40 level, climbed about 10 pips higher than that, but then reversed to fall back down to 1.3960. For the week, following a fall in Monday trading, the pair has established an upward sloping line of support and reversed its earlier losses to trade near its open for the week. The pound moved above its support level against the dollar as well, breaking out of a descending triangle pattern. The pound managed to recover following its fall in response to a weaker retail sales report yesterday. Since hitting a low at support then near 1.62, the pair saw today's rise to set an intraday high at 1.6560. This week's price action shows markets consolidating following the rally from June 8th to June 11th. The pound gained against its other rivals as well, moving higher versus the yen and euro. Yesterday, the euro-pound pair saw a strong back-and-forth action. Following a spike to 0.86, the euro gave up its gains and today fell further to 0.8455. That brought the pair back to the level it was trading near the beginning of the week. In a speech today, Bank of England Governor Mervyn King said that the recession there may be easing, taking a more upbeat stance than he has previously, which supported the pound. While the Aussie and Kiwi climbed higher against the greenback, the Canadian dollar saw mixed trading today. Except for a jump to 1.1450 on Wednesday, this pair has been consolidating in about a 120 pip range. Though the greenback was weaker, the loonie was under pressure as its retail sales figures for April came in lower than expected. Retail sales in Canada fell 0.8% in April, following a 0.3% increase in March. Expectations had been for a decline, but one of a much smaller magnitude. The decline was broad as the core rate, which excludes motor vehicles and motor vehicle parts, fell 0.5%. Next week, the main fundamental event will be the FOMC interest rate meeting, where policymakers will be able to convey their intentions to the financial markets and investors. Also, U.S. data on durable goods, existing and new home sales, and personal income and spending should give traders a clearer picture of how the U.S. economy is faring. The Eurozone, meanwhile, will release a report on German business confidence and will post its preliminary version of the manufacturing and services PMIs, which will give an indication if those sectors are showing any improvement. And that wraps up our coverage of the Forex market for this week. Thank you for joining us here at CMSFX.com. And from all of us here, have a great weekend.